In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset balance in your Deriv demo account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. If your virtual funds are running low, or your account is blown, or you simply want a fresh demo balance to continue practicing, all you have to do is go to the trading accounts. You want to make sure that you are on the demo section and then choose your trading platform. In our case, I am choosing MT5. Click on it and you will be forwarded here. So if your virtual funds are running low, your account is blown, or you simply want a fresh demo balance to continue practicing, all I have to do is click this option right here to reset the balance. Alright, and there you go. The balance has been completely reset. And then, of course, Deriv will automatically restore your virtual funds back to the default demo balance. This process usually happens instantly and no real money is involved. Keep in mind that resetting your demo balance only affects your practice account. Your real trading account and real funds will remain completely untouched. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you reset your Deriv demo account balance. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.